Let us format local date time. To format local date time in Java, we can have two approaches. One is call the format method of local date time, or we can call the format method of date time formatter. I will provide example for both the approach. For the example, I have created an application. This is an instance of local date time. I have parsed the string. Now I am calling the format method of local date time and passing the datetime formatter instance by creating datetime formatter.off pattern and pass your required format to the off pattern. Suppose I am passing triple M DD 4 time Y HHMM SS. So this date time we will get the default format of the local date time, and then when we format we will get the required date time format. If we want to see what has changed, we can see, look at here, this was the default format, okay, and we change it into our required format. What I did, call the format method of local date time and then pass the instance of datetime formatter and pass the your required format. I will show you by passing other formats too. Let's test with this format. 4 time 4 time y dot mm dot dd space small hh dash mm dash ss space a. We got the pm and am. We formatted it. Other format, let's try another format too. We got in our required format 4 time m 4 time y dash triple m dash dd and e and hhmmss. We got this format. One more thing, let's see one more format. We got this. In this way we can get our required format by passing it. Okay, let's pass local. We can also pass the local to off pattern method. Let's pass Hindi Indian. I am passing the local Hindi Indian. We got the month name as NOV, November in Hindi. So in this way we can call our local date time dot format method, and we can format the local date time in our required format. Now I have another approach. We can format our local date time using datetime formatter dot format method too. Look at here. I have an instance of local datetime by parsing a string. Then what I am doing that I am creating a formatter, datetime formatter. This is the instance of datetime formatter. Then what I am doing that I am calling format method of datetime formatter and passing our local datetime instance, and this will format in our record format. Okay, we can also pass here local. Okay, in this way we can see that we can format our local datetime using local datetime.format method and datetime format method. Okay, thank you.